Having an assistive technologies makerspace and starting here in Cambridge, we are able to tap into a wide range of expertise that can seed the proper way to fail forward fast and iterate to the right model that will be replicated in many different places throughout the world.
And Alex and Phil introduced this idea of makerspace. Now, why I think it's such an ingenious idea is because you're having it here at a building for seniors and the disabled. Because oftentimes we think about makerspace, we think about young people. You know, I know how when I want to do something new with my phone, I give it to one of my kids. So I am so impressed and thankful that you would have this forward-thinking idea to bring technology to us older folks.
Nowadays, more and more colleges and even high school propose programs where a person with a disability can work with students to create a new assistive device. Programs nowadays, a lot of ideas are being generated. However, many of those programs last maybe at most a semester, a day, like a hackathon, or a month. But to develop an assistive technology device, it takes several years. Having a space like this will go a long way to give value to the goodwill or the energy that is being expended to advance such initiatives into something that in the end is useful and helpful to an actual person who needs it. An assistive technology makerspace will be a repository of expertise, of specialized tools for development. Will also be a space where people with disabilities can come and alter their own destiny by working on problems that affect them, a place of advocacy for the issues affecting this community.
My mother had a stroke about 20 years ago and is paralyzed on her left side and has a lot of difficulty moving her arm and walking. And so when I hear you talk about the things that can be done and the inventions that can happen, and that it gives me a lot of hope that, you know, my mother might actually be able to take advantage of some of these things. So I really thank you for being forward thinking.
So we can launch what I would say a pilot. You know, if it works, maybe the CHA will say yes, because we have these beautiful buildings, we have these wonderful spaces, and why not utilize them, getting at people's creativity through technology.
People can come and receive training on various device making machines, whether it's 3D printers, laser cutters, vinyl cutters, really make it as a catalytic space for all great things to happen, as a meeting space, as an advocacy space, as a training space.